Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Amartya's World. If you like my video, then click on like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on notification bell icon. So without wasting time, let's start our newest video. Topic: the Galactic Federation. I have uploaded part 1 of this video earlier. Please see that video also. It is given in I button above and description below. So let's get started. In this video, I have given information about the Galactic Federation claimed by Mr. Haim said, tweeted by Elon Musk, and the radio signal recently discovered. So let's start it. December of 5, 2020. A post published in the Jerusalem Post website titled, Former head of Israel's space program. The aliens asked not to be rebelled. Humanity is not ready. This title made national headlines throughout the world. According to retired Israeli officer and current professor, Haim said the answer of aliens is 100% yes. But this has been kept a secret because humanity isn't ready. Haim said that this is an interview to Eliot Aharonit, Tel Aviv news media. Haim served as the head of Israel's space program for nearly 30 years and is a 3-time recipient of the Israel Security Award. He said that Israel and America have been dealing with aliens for years. Mr. Haim, the 87-year and former head of Defense Ministry's Space Division, gave further description of humans and aliens agreement. He said that the agreement includes secret underground base on Mars. He went further said that America's ex-president Donald Trump is aware of them, and he was even going to disclose about it, but the Galactic Federation stopped him. So, here he talks about the Galactic Federation. Galactic Federation means a group of beings that overlooks Earth. The part of the interview of Mr. Haim said with the Eliot Aharonit is given. He said, and I quote, "The UFOs have asked not to be published, that they are here. Humanity is not ready yet. There's an agreement between the United States government and the aliens. They signed a contract with us to do experiments here. There's an underground base in the depth of Mars where their representatives and our American astronauts are working." The above claim of Mr. Haim said, what a staggering claim. If Haim's claim is true, then this could be the reason for the creation of Space Force by Donald Trump in the 2018. Assad provided more information in his newest book, The Universe Beyond the Horizon, Conversation with Professor Haim Assad. In that book, he has provided details such as how aliens have prevented nuclear apocalypse, when we can jump or visit the MIB Men in Black. Although this book is now only in Hebrew, such an extraordinary claim of Galactic Federation. Haim is that person who has achieved a lot of feats in his life. In 1965, he is the Research and Development Israel Military Intelligence Directorate (IDF). In 1969, he was again Research and Development Israeli Military Intelligence Directorate (IDF). Then he received Philosophy Doctorate in Aeronautical Engineering in United States. He was the head Intelligence Corp Research and Development. Between the year of 1981 and 2010, he was the head of Israel's Security Space Program. Then, in 1981, he was the founder and director of Challenge Program in Israel's MAPAT. He received 3 Israel Security Awards. In 1967, he was awarded Chief of Staff Citizen. This award is given to very high-ranking people of Israel. He retired in October of 2011 from Israel Defense. Well, now one has to wonder why such an high official would claim such things. So could it be that the claim of Galactic Federation is true? When he was asked that if he knew about aliens, if he knew that aliens were coming on Earth, then why did he disclose it now? Well, because it's 2020. Oh, I am joking. He replied, and I quote, "I have nothing to lose. I have received my degrees on awards and respected in universities abroad, where the trend of policies of denial is also changing." Close quote. So it means that he told this claim now because he feared that if he told the claim, then the Galactic Federation could do something bad with him. Therefore, now as is going on to die. So he told the claim. So we may believe that the claim of Mr. Haim may provide a link to Donald Trump creating Space Force in 2018 and recently discovered monolith. I've also made a video about the monoliths. Please check it under the I button again and in the description below. But there's another evidence that could tell us more about the Galactic Federation, and this evidence also comes from a high order official and even the person who claims that he could send humans to the Mars till 2050. Oh yes, I'm talking about Elon Musk. In the the claim of Haim Assad is given above. You could say in which that he has told about that. Why didn't he disclose this now? In December 8 of 2020, on his official Twitter account, Elon Musk tweeted, "So long and thanks for the verifies. Alien message decrypted." The word decrypted means that recording or something or finding the answer. Elon Musk is the world's second richest person, founder of SpaceX and Tesla, high-level innovator and the person who claimed that he could send humans to Mars till 2050. The orifice word in his tweet to me looks that he's referring to a radio series, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Cosmos. In this radio series, Douglas Adams used this phrase to show that the world will get destroyed and humans have to discover to go to another world. Well, the question in Elon Musk's tweet lies that is it telling the truth that he has really decrypted alien messages, or it is another way to promote his company like he had done earlier. Let's look at our another evidence for Galactic Federation. This in the year December 18, 2020. An article published in the Guardian News website which reads, "Scientists looking for aliens investigate radio beam from nearby stars, this time a radio signal." Astronomers behind the most extensive search for alien life are investigating an intriguing radio that appears to have come from the direction of Proxima Centauri, the nearest star to the Sun. The narrow beam of radio waves was picked up during 30 hours of observation by Parkes Telescope in Australia in April and May last year. Well, it has not still been confirmed that it is artificial or not, but this radio wave is not similar to pulsar, quasar or anything natural. So could it be that the radio wave being emitted from the same Galactic Federation Mr. Haim is speaking about, and is this the same message that Elon Musk decrypted? The answer is yet to come. Well, let's wrap up our video here itself. If you like my video, then please click on like button and subscribe the channel. Wait till my next video. Bye and take care. Thank you.